time, in a castle of Transylvania, a gambler who said, "Don't fear the Reaper," and then he came.
Ore 19:36.
Desire, desire, desire.
More and more incredible, I'm just invisible fight.